have two goals in today's video. Number one is to have a look at the Hoover DustManager, which, despite it still probably being a terrible cleaner, it looks absolutely beautiful. We've just got to fit the hose, which I just got out the airing cupboard now, and she's done. I then just got back from picking this up from Facebook Marketplace. I've gambled another tenner to see if we can get us a rug with just some visible pile that isn't cheap garbage. Is this the one? Who knows? This DustManager is going to find out though, so let's have a look. Yes, hello, my Hoover and rug and bagless chums. God, we're pleasing a few people today. How are you this evening? Yeah, there's not really anything coincidental about this rug being here on this video. I just picked it up and I thought, well, we've got a bagless vacuum cleaner that we can see how much it does pick up, and you know, it's got, even though it's a bit worn, it's got an activated brush roll in it. It could be quite good, and I'm hoping that this looks vaguely similar to how it looked in the photographs, which is pink, but I don't care about the colour. The kids might destroy it. What I'm hoping, look, and actually that's the right way round. I was going to spend the next couple of minutes having to faff around to get it the right way, and yeah, here she is. It's been eaten a little bit by moths, which they're not here now, and the guy said he treated it when he got it down from the loft. That's fine. Don't care about the physical condition. What I care about is the lovely pile. So this is very promising already. You're going to have to go down a bit. These are going to be hateful to try and avoid with the vacuum cleaners. We have some promising stuff. Is that going to Is that going to carry on to the Hoover DustManager? Because now I can put it down without scratching it up too much, because it's really quite nice. I mean, yeah, what it is aside, a nice translucent, completely translucent bag door is a feature that, you know, well, they were having to do because Dyson had a transparent bin. Best Hoover could do was make this top bit transparent, where the dirt bounces in and then falls down into here. Now, I stopped short of running over it with a pressure washer, literally the next thing I was going to do, but if this suddenly starts blowing apart, I can't get another one. There are none about. It is not, you know, the early to mid 2000s anymore. So yeah, that's in there. Actually, before I put it back in there, that is about as clean as it's ever going to be again. The pre-motor filter looking very good indeed. So yeah, oh, I didn't have that on very properly. Yeah, poor blimey. This is why I sort of wanted to get an unknown for this, because if we used it on the old wooden rug, which is there, that's now on Facebook for the tenner that I got this for, but I'll give it away for free if somebody comes and gets it. That's always been full of fine dust, as you know, and we've never really got rid of it, even after shampooing it a few times. So hopefully this hasn't got as much fine dust, it's got more lint and bits and bobs. Right, so that's sort of the front, the only real thing that makes this that different to anything else. At the back, well, we've got our two tools, still no wands. Didn't bother to try and find any either, because there's just no point in caring for this one. Just working well is the aim of the game, and we can put the hose on. I'm going to tuck it down onto there because that makes it sit nicely for the 3 times we're ever going to use it. And that is that. Our lovely Hoover Pure Power is ready to go. Oh, the horrible rubbishy chassis that isn't as strengthened on this as it is on the Enigma that I have. Yeah, underneath there, it's not bad. Nice brand new belt fitted still. The brush roll isn't horrendous. Oh, I just chucked my hand in it, not even my finger. Yeah, she is clean and... What? Ah, there we go. Oh, clean and tidy. Forgot the post motor filter. Oh no, we're probably going to need that. There we go, it was still up in the airing cupboard. It washed up okay. It's probably going to get quite dirty in use and in time especially, even if not with me. Let's put that down into there. And I think we're ready to see if this is going to be the machine that fixes this rug, or if this rug is a waste of money. Let's see. I mean, it's a Hoover, who better? Well, we have excellent suction. The machine is working a lot better, but oh, it's not liking this rug at all, bless it. Maybe it is the wrong way round. I think I'm going to flip it round and we'll give it another go. Oh dear, that was a little bit mediocre, bless it. It was trying, and yeah, this is now the other. I think this isn't the best machine for the job. I mean, shock horror, who would have thought? But what is going to be interesting to see is how well it's coated. Now, I think it's going to have done okay now. The problem is you have to pretty much clean these every 2 or 3 uses. And when people went months without doing it and the dirt leached out, that's when it got filthy. So I'm hoping it's going to not be so bad. I mean, here's in there, that's still quite clean. Oh, yeah, there is a little bit here and there. It's come out of the edges. Oh, did it actually pick anything up? Oh, did. Look at that. So, I can't say it didn't do well, but equally, I think it just did as best as it can. Bless it. It's just afflicted by the fact that it's a Hoover Pure Power. Let me get something out that I think might hopefully do a lot better. Let's see what a little bit of the old fettling to the original CAD drawing can do to a machine. Let's have a look at the Enigma. There it is. That's it. The tweaks that they've done to this just make it so much better. I mean, this one is a lot of work. This again isn't the best machine for the job. There's a start. Yeah, all of a sudden, with a machine that bites down into the carpet, look, the pile is coming back. I think I need to work out where to position it to best show you on camera, but hopefully it came across that this thing is now a lot softer and a lot nicer, and hopefully, assuming that the bag didn't pop off of here, which it, oh dear, oh that is worse than the dust manager, and I can feel the static from here. Touch the radiator, there we go. Yeah, oh I can't take this out either, but that is a big old clump of dirt in there. Bar that, it's done okay, I guess. It's certainly done a lot better than the poor dust managerless did. But it's a different generation, it's a different era. This is literally two completely different machines in every possible way. One, however, does look a lot better than the other. So that is this one done, refurbished. I'm probably not going to use it a heck of a lot because of that system, but I do feel we shall be using it and seeing it again when I need to punish myself in a couple of times. So yeah, stay tuned for then and tell me again what your experiences were with this type of system, and out of these two, which would you prefer, and which do you think brought this rug up the best? And until the next time, I and some other bagless Hoover or some other bagged Hoover will see you soon. Bye bye.